Are you looking for the Fitbit Inspire HR review? In this video we will look at some of the Fitbit Inspire HR review on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Fitbit Inspire HR review. We purchased the Fitbit Inspire HR so our expert reviewer could thoroughly test and assess it. Keep reading for our full product review. Whether you are a walker, runner, swimmer, cyclist, or a general health enthusiast, the Fitbit Inspire HR provides all the key insights you need to stay active and at the top of your game. It features the calorie and step counting functions that Fitbit is known for, and as a new feature, the Fitbit Inspire HR includes 24/7 heart rate tracking, which can help you assess your progress throughout training by charting your heart rate, workouts, and sleep quality. The Inspire HR has all your health stats and apps available at the swipe of a finger. This is really a testament to the effectiveness of the fitness tracker's minimal but routine-oriented design. You can monitor your heart rate 24/7 without having to think about it, and you can also set up the Inspire HR to automatically detect when you start running without having to select the exercise app. It seems designed to keep your interactions with it to a minimum. The Fitbit Inspire HR has a host of different exercise apps for whatever activities you enjoy and features specific modes for running, biking, swimming, treadmill workouts, weightlifting, and interval training. One of the more advanced features of the Inspire HR is its combination of continuous heart rate monitoring and sleep monitoring. This fitness tracker has an optical heart rate monitor that uses photoplethysmography (PPG) technology to measure your pulse and gauge your heart rate, shining a rapidly pulsating lead into your skin and measuring how your blood flow affects the dispersion of light. The Inspire HR is continually tracking your heart rate this way. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.